Hey everyone, my name is Tanisha, and in today's video I'm going to be adding some touches of spring into our living room. So here I'm just starting off by showing you guys an empty canvas. I have nothing on the couches right now and everything is just shoved over onto our console table. So we are going to be grabbing from this decor here, but first we're going to get into some cleaning. I need to definitely clean behind the couches and mop the floors today. So we're gonna do that. And then once we're all done cleaning and wiping down a few of the surfaces, we are going to start the fun process, which is going to be decorating. So let's go ahead and get started because we have quite a bit to do. You guys are welcome to clean along with me, or if you would like to just sit there and watch and get some decor inspo, that's totally fine as well. I will be playing music throughout this video, so sit back, relax, or let's get moving. This is all of the mess that I found behind our couch. Oh my gosh, you guys, I promise I clean on a daily basis, but I only sweep behind here maybe like once or twice every 2 weeks or so, maybe a month. If I'm being honest, this just gets forgotten about a lot because it is behind us, but I do try to get in there and make sure that it's clean often.
I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you move, the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me, like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for ya. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I know you wanna try, give me that space. I know you wanna find another reason. I know you wanna lie, making me stay.
Here is just a combination of hot water, as you can see the steam, pine salt, and a little bit of bleach. And I'll be using this to mop our floors today.
I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking of the way you.
You guys, this rug was so dirty, it had to come up. As sad as I was to see it go, it just was not working for this space. I already have a problem with rugs because I don't like dirt. I don't think anyone likes dirt, but it's just rugs. I feel like they just get so nasty and I don't even know, especially jute rugs. Jute rugs tend to collect a lot of dirt. If you guys know of a good jute rug that doesn't do that, leave me a comment down below. I will buy that in a heartbeat because this one, it's just, you'll see there's so much dirt under there and it's nasty. So I'm gonna clean that up and get that thing out of here. I'm gonna try to wash it. I don't know if that's possible, but where there is a will, there is a way. I did hear of a website called Ruggable. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna check that site out and see if I can find a nice rug to put here. But until then, I think I may just leave it blank, or I'm just gonna try to wash that jute rug. But I don't know, look at all that dirt. Oh my God, ooh, it's driving me insane. It's just so nasty. But I cleaned it all up, so we're good.
Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes. can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got.
So it is the next morning, and this is where we left off last night. I hung these two items up and I added some decor to the shelf. So that's where we left off. Here I just have some blankets drying, air drying. I just washed those. And then over here I still have all this stuff. But I did work on this little arrangement last night. I just threw some carrots in there with some greenery in this basket that I picked up from Kirkland's. I did do a full video on home decor haul for spring, so I'll link that video down below in case you guys would like to check that out to see where I got a few of my items from. So that'll be there for you. But we're gonna go ahead and continue from where we left off last night and get to decorating. So let's go ahead and get started. So starting off, I'm just going to wipe down our TV because it did have all kinds of fingerprints on it from us moving it around. But how are you guys doing today? Are you guys good? Leave me a comment down below to let me know that you're here. I want to interact with you guys a little bit more. Let me know where you're coming from. My fiance and I had just recently went to Vegas, and I was so excited to go because there was a small shop that I wanted to visit called Rodworks. But come to find out, the shop was closed and I'm so sad. Do you guys happen to have a Rodworks near you? And if so, have you shopped there before? I know that they have the absolute cutest vintage finds, and their store is especially cute during the holidays. My sister-in-law actually went there and picked me up a little witch for Halloween. I want to say last year, and I'm just obsessed with this little witch. You guys will see her during the fall season closest to Halloween. So yeah, just make sure that you're subscribed because I'm going to be here for a while. I don't plan on going anywhere, but you know, just a heads up, put those post notifications on so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. But where are some of your favorite places to shop? I'm always looking for new and fun stores to go into.
I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So here I have this little farm fresh egg container that my sister-in-law picked up for me. We're always grabbing stuff for each other when we see it. But yeah, I got this idea from her. I'm going to give credit where credit is due. She always has the cutest ideas. So I'm just putting some moss and some eggs here. And I thought that was a super cute idea, and I just had to do it for myself.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it.
So this pillow cover here is actually a fall pillow cover, but I thought the back of it would be super cute to put here, so that's what I'm using today. I didn't want to go out and spend any more money on spring decor. Okay, so back to this wall. Something about this wall, the decor on it, is driving me absolutely insane. I'm gonna try to insert a picture of my inspiration for this wall. It does not look nearly as close to what it's supposed to be, but I think the problem here is, first of all, I don't have everything that I need to finish off this space. Second of all, this shelf is so super tiny over this couch, and the photo that I'm grabbing my inspiration from, the shelf is huge. So that's one of the biggest problems. I feel like it's too tiny, and it's like literally only the size of one of the cushions, so that's already a fail. And then also, because of the way that the wall is, the stud is closer to the right, which is why this whole thing is kind of shifted over more to the right. So it's just a big mess right now. This is just not appealing to my eye, and when things are like this, I have to take them down, otherwise they are going to drive me absolutely insane. So with that being said, these will be coming down, and once I return these items, I do have something in mind that I would like to order for this space. So once that arrives, I will show you. Good morning, friends. Okay, so I worked long and hard last night on this space, and I finally came up with something that I enjoyed looking at. It's not driving me crazy anymore. This actually looks really good to me. I love that I ended up moving these architectural pieces to this wall instead of the wall here, because it was not centered and it was just driving me crazy. Even the pillows look better because, like I said, the shelf was not centered, so it was kind of throwing the couch off, and the pillows just were not looking good. I also moved that seagrass basket to that little corner over there, which I think looks really nice. And then I do get some curtains in tomorrow, so I will be putting those up, and I will be showing you guys the final result of everything in my spring home tour that will be up towards the end of this week. So let me just take you guys in a little closer. I left the basket here with the pillow and the floral. I just removed the blanket because I felt like it was doing too much. I just want it nice, crisp, and clean. I went ahead and moved the candle holders over here that were on the shelf to the wall behind me. I kept the bunny. I may leave that little grass in there. I don't know yet. I kind of like it with just the candle, but it's just gonna stay like that for now. I'm gonna live with it for a couple of days. And then here, I'm still working on the little shelves. I do wanna replace, sorry, my fridge is really loud if you can hear that. I do want to replace this photo down here at the bottom for a more neutral one, like this one here. But I will get that done before my spring tour. And then I also want to find something in this space where the candle is, just to balance out the other side. I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet, but yeah. And then I just have my little blanket ladder that got shifted onto this wall, since it can't be on that wall anymore because that is there. But yeah, I really like the way that it came out. I really hope that you guys grabbed some inspiration from today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss my spring home tour. That's gonna be a fun one. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright.